Hello, friends! Happy Sunday night to all of you. I know that many of you are very worried about the next round of stimulus payments. So in this video, I will be sharing with you an updated fourth stimulus check timeline. Friends, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and watch until the end of this video to learn how to enter next Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway.
Jill and I, for us, when Barack and Michelle hosted us at this reception, it was one of our favorite events. And now with Kamala and Doug, and to host the Kennedy Center honorees once again in the White House, we welcome everybody back. And if you excuse a point of personal privilege, we used to say in the Senate, my good friend David Rubenstein in the front row, that's really important, but the most important thing is he's sitting next to my sister Valerie. And Deborah Rutter, thank you, and members of the board and all the supporters of the Kennedy Center. It's wonderful to see Speaker Pelosi. I'm mildly prejudiced. I think she's the finest speaker in the history of the country. A true, genuine champion of the arts, a true, genuine champion of the arts, and a heartfelt welcome back to our dear friend, Caroline Kennedy. Caroline, Madam Ambassador. You know how much our family loves your family and how much in times of difficulty early on before I had this job, I relied on your family for help and moral support. I really mean it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I think about your parents and your uncles often. And look, on this night in particular, I'd like to thank President and Mrs. Kennedy's love for the arts. In April 1962, there's a sitting here in the East Room where Robert Frost and other Nobel laureates were being honored for their life's work and service, understanding human nature and the human condition, as only artists can. It was just a month before President Kennedy presented Robert Frost with the Congressional Gold Medal in the Roosevelt Room and gifting a copy of the, quote, The Clearing. And, great.
As of today, there are multiple efforts for additional financial assistance. There is a petition calling for $2,000 checks for U.S. adults. There is a petition calling for $2,000 checks for adults and $1,000 for children in the United States, and has been signed by 2.97 million people. So if it reaches 3 million signatures, the petition will become one of Change.org's most signed petitions. That petition has garnered millions of signatures and widespread attention. It is likely that Congress will move and take action. A fourth stimulus check from the government could take one of two forms: monthly checks in fairly small amounts, or one-time payments of up to $2,000. Both of these options have been put forward by legislators in Congress as follow-ups to the third round of crisis relief payments, which were made possible by the American Rescue Plan Act of March 2021. The United States economy is still recovering, with slow but steady job growth. Some Democratic lawmakers have already called on President Biden to consider recurring payments. At the end of July, Democratic Representative Ilhan Omar introduced a bill that would send $1,200 checks to Americans earning less than $75,000 per year. And earlier this year, 7 Democrats on the House Ways and Means Committee sent a letter to President Biden requesting that the administration add a fourth and even a fifth stimulus check to the American Families Plan. In a press conference, White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki said, "The president is certainly open to a range of ideas." And when asked by lawmakers pushing President Biden for more stimulus checks, Psaki also stated, "We will see what members of Congress propose, but those stimulus checks are not free." Great efforts are underway to extend the expanded child tax credit. It is a measure passed during March's American Rescue Plan. The child tax pays parents up to $300 a month for children aged 5 and younger, and also $250 per child aged 6 to 17. These payments started in July of this year and are set to end this month, unless extended by Congress. The $2.2 trillion Build Back Better bill passed by the House on November 19th and currently before the United States Senate would extend the monthly payments through 2022. It is short of President Biden's proposal to stretch them into 2025. This measure faces an uphill battle. Earlier this fall, the Senior Citizens League, which is a nonpartisan advocacy group, started a pressure campaign to push Congress to send those receiving Social Security additional stimulus money. In a letter to leaders of Congress, Chairman Rick Delaney called for a one-time payment of $1,400 checks to Social Security recipients. Chairman Delaney urged members to send a special $1,400 stimulus check to those receiving Social Security benefits. Such a measure could help defray the costs associated for some seniors from the 2022 cost of living adjustment, which was the highest in 40 years, pushing them into a higher tax bracket. The letter began by highlighting that the organization has heard from thousands of seniors who have exhausted their retirement savings and started eating just one meal a day because they cannot afford the rising cost of living. Friends, the key word for this video is casserole. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please do click and like my videos. Also, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and comment below the key word from each video. Thank you so much, friends. This is all in reaction to the high levels of inflation that the American economy is dealing with right now. Prices across the country are reaching record highs, and for those on a fixed income like Social Security, they are seeing rapid decreases in their purchasing power. The Bureau of Labor Statistics has reported that since October 2020, consumers are paying on average 6.2% more across the market. Prices for food are up 5.3% or more, while energy costs are up more than 30%. Meanwhile, some people have not received their third stimulus check due to a programming error, detailed in a new report. The Internal Revenue Service has admitted instances of payment delays, but has not provided specific language on why certain taxpayers are facing issues with their payment. So friends, please be sure to check your stimulus check status or call the Internal Revenue Service stimulus check phone number with questions regarding your payment. Well, thank you, friends, for joining me here this Sunday night. I truly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos. And if you would like to enter next Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure that you click and like my videos. Make sure that you comment below the keyword from each video, and make sure that you have also clicked and are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends, and have a very blessed week.